Hello and welcome. My name is Trevor, and I'm here to help you improve your English.
And hello from me, Alicia. It's great to have you with us today.
Today, we are going to talk about a very useful topic, customer service. Specifically, what to say when you have a problem with something you bought.
Oh, that's so important. It can feel a little scary to complain or ask for help in a new language.
Exactly. But don't worry. By the end of this session, you will feel much more confident. We will give you the words and phrases you need.
So let's start with a little story. Trevor, something happened to me last week.
Oh, tell me about it.
Well, I ordered a new book online. I was so excited for it to arrive. It's a book about gardening.
That sounds nice. You enjoy gardening, don't you?
I do. So the package arrived, I opened the box, and it was the wrong book.
The wrong book. What did you receive?
It was a book about cooking. I don't know much about cooking.
So you had a problem with your order. What did you do?
I had to call customer service. I found the phone number on their website. It was a bit stressful, but I managed to explain the situation. And what happened?
In the end,
They were very helpful. They apologized and sent me the correct book. They even let me keep the cooking book.
that's a great outcome and a perfect story for our topic today. Let's look at some key vocabulary from Alicia's story. These are words you will hear and use often. The first phrase is wrong item.
Right. I ordered one item, the gardening book, but I received a different one. So I received the wrong item.
Perfect. Let's practice saying that. First, slowly. Wrong item.
Wrong item.
Now, at a natural speed. Wrong item.
Wrong item.
Excellent. Another important phrase is customer service. This is the department of a company that helps customers with their problem.
Yes, I called customer service. Sometimes it's called customer support.
That's right. Let's practice. Slowly, customer service.
Customer service.
And now, naturally, customer service.
Customer service.
Great job. The last one for now is order number. When you buy something online, you get a special number for your purchase. This is your order number.
Yes, the person on the phone asked me for my order number. It helps them find my information quickly.
Exactly. Let's practice. Order number.
Order number.
Natural speed, order number.
Order number.
Okay, now let's put these words into a conversation. We are going to do a little role play. Alicia, you will be the customer again. I will be the customer service agent.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, you've reached customer service. My name is Trevor. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'm calling about a problem with my recent order.
I'm sorry to hear that. Of course, I can help. Do you have your order number?
Yes, it's 54321.
Thank you. I see your order for the gardening book. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I received the wrong item. I got a book about cooking instead.
Oh, I do apologize for that mistake. We can fix this for you right away. We can send you the correct book immediately.
That would be great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
That was a great example. Now, let's help our listeners practice. We will say a line and then leave a pause for you to repeat it. Let's start with the first important sentence.
I'll say the customer's line. Please repeat after me. I'm calling about a problem with my recent order.
Very good. Now let's try the key phrase to describe the problem. Alicia,
Okay, repeat after me. I received the wrong item.
excellent. Practice those sentences. They are very powerful. Now, receiving the wrong item is just one type of problem. There are many other things that can go wrong.
That's true. What if the item arrives but it's broken?
A great question. The word for that is damaged. If it's broken, it is damaged. For example, the mug I ordered is cracked. It's damaged.
Damaged. I see. So you would say the item I received is damaged.
Perfect. Let's practice that word. Damaged.
Damaged.
Another common problem is when an item is electronic and it doesn't work. For example, you buy a new phone, but it won't turn on.
So you can say the phone doesn't work or it's defective.
Defective is a great word. It means it was made with a mistake. Let's practice that. Defective.
Defective.
When you have a problem, the company might offer you a refund or a replacement.
What's the difference?
A refund is when they give you your money back. A replacement is when they give you a new item.
I see. So you can choose I'd like a refund or I'd like a replacement.
Precisely. Let's say those two words. Refund.
Refund.
Replacement.
Replacement.
All right, time for our second role play. This time, the problem is a damaged item. Alicia, you will be the customer service agent this time, and I will be the customer.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's begin. Hello, thank you for calling. My name is Alicia. How can I assist you?
Hello, I'd like to report a problem with an order. I bought a coffee mug, but it arrived damaged.
I am very sorry to hear that. Could I have your order number, please?
Certainly, it is 987654.
Thank you. I see it here. I'm sorry that the mug was damaged. We can offer you a full refund or we can send you a replacement. What would you prefer?
I'd like a replacement, please. It's a gift for a friend.
Of course. I have arranged for a new mug to be sent to you. It should arrive in 3 to 5 business days.
That's wonderful. Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a great day. That was another excellent example. Now it's your turn to practice.
Let's practice the sentence for a damaged item. Repeat after me. The item I ordered arrived damaged.
Great. And now let's practice asking for a solution. Trevor.
Yes, you can say this. Repeat after me. I'd like a replacement, please.
Or if you want your money back, what would you say? Repeat after Trevor.
I'd like a refund, please.
You're doing wonderfully.
Now, to make these conversations easier in real life, I have a few tips for you.
Oh, tips are always helpful.
First, before you call, have all your information ready. This means your name, your address, and especially your order number. It makes the call go much faster.
That's such a good point. Being prepared helps you feel less nervous.
Second, try to stay calm and be polite. Even if you are frustrated, a polite tone will help the agent want to help you more. Phrases like hello, please, and thank you are very important.
Yes, kindness makes a big difference. And I have a tip too. If the person on the phone speaks too fast, it is okay to ask them to slow down.
An excellent tip, Alicia. What could you say?
You could say, I'm sorry, my English is not perfect. Could you please speak a little more slowly? People are usually very happy to help.
That is a perfect phrase. Don't be afraid to use it. Well, we have covered a lot today. Let's do a quick summary.
Okay, we learned how to start the conversation. You can say, hello, I'm calling about a problem with my order.
Then we learned how to describe the problem. For example, I received the wrong item or the item is damaged.
And we learned how to ask for a solution. You can ask for a refund to get your money back or a replacement to get a new item.
Remember to be prepared with your order number and to always be polite.
The most important thing is to practice. The more you use these phrases, the easier it will become. You can do it.
That's absolutely right. Confidence comes from practice. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this was helpful for you. Before we finish, there is one more common situation we should talk about. It's something that can be very frustrating.
Yes, thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Oh, what's that, Trevor?
Goodbye, everyone.